everyone and welcome back. In this video, we'll be making our advanced ornament. A little disclaimer here, you'll need to sketch out an outline of a Christmas tree about 3.5 inches tall and 2.5 inches wide. Let's get started. Cut a 12-inch piece of 20 gauge wire. Run the wire through your fingers to warm it up and make it easier to work with. Using that same wire, wrap it around an 8mm jump ring to secure it. Now tape that down onto the top of your outline and trace the tree with it. Tape the wire onto the outline as needed to hold it in place. Once you're done tracing, wrap the end of the wire around the 8mm jump ring to secure it. Next, cut a 42-inch piece of 24 gauge wire. Wrap one end of this wire around the bottom side of your tree. Begin to string on E-beads until you hit the other end. Wrap the wire around this side. String on E-beads until you reach the other side. Now wrap the wire around this side of the tree. I'm going to skip ahead, but all you have to do is repeat this process until you hit the top of the tree. Cut a 4-inch piece of 20 gauge wire and use that to form a wrapped loop on one end of the wire. Slide 2 E-beads onto it and form another wrapped loop just past them. Trim the ends if needed. Cut one more 4-inch piece of 20 gauge wire and form reversal spirals on both ends to make your ornament hanger. And that's it. Now you have another ornament to decorate your tree.